Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we will discuss the refractive index. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum, air or free space to the speed of light in that medium is called the refractive index of that medium. So what is the formula for the refractive index? Refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum or air or free space divided by speed of light in a medium. So here symbol for the refractive index is n. So n is equal to c by v, where c stands for speed of light in vacuum or free space, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and v stands for speed of light in other medium, as for example glass, water, terpene, alcohol, etc. One question which is based on the formula of refractive index: light enters from air into a glass plate having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in glass? Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This question is given in the NCERT book. How would you solve this book? In this question, it is given that refractive index of glass, that is 1.50, and speed of light in vacuum, that is air or free space, is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So you first write the formula. So the value of refractive index of glass is 1.50, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by speed of light in glass, that is Vg. So speed of light in glass Vg is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.50. So 1.5 into 2, that is 3. 1.50 into 2 is equal to 3. So here speed of light in glass, that is Vg, equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now how do you prove that refraction through a rectangular glass slab, the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray? So here you see one rectangular glass slab is there, and red color, the ray of light which enters from air to glass, and when it enters from air to glass it bends towards the normal. But as the ray of light passes from glass to air, it bends away from the normal. The angle between normal and incident ray, that is I. The angle between refracted ray and normal is called R, that is angle of refraction. An angle between emergent ray and normal is called angle of emergence. How would you prove it? So first, actually in the case of glass slab, there are two refracting surfaces. The first surface, refracting surface, that is PQ in the figure. So refraction takes place at the point O or in the first surface PQ. According to Snell's law, when the rays passes from air to glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is in symbol we can write NGA is equal to sin I by sin R, equation 1. For the ray of light going from glass to air in the second refracting surface SR, according to Snell's law, refractive index of air with respect to glass, that is NAG is equal to sin R dash by sin E. In this figure, both the normals are parallel to each other and one transversal line is there, so R and R dash are alternate angles, so R and R dash are equal. So here n GA is equal to sin E by sin R dash. Angle R and R dash are equal. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get sin I by sin R is equal to sin E by sin R dash. Since angle R is equal to angle R dash, alternate angles, therefore we can write cancel sin I is equal to sin E, so angle I is equal to angle E. That is, angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. Thus, emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. Now second proof, show that the refractive index of glass with respect to air is reciprocal to the refractive index of air with respect to glass. In symbol we can write NGA is equal to 1 by NAG. Here we write refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to 1 by, that is reciprocal of refractive index of air with respect to glass. Again here we use Snell's law. Refraction takes place at the first surface PQ at the point O. When rays passes from air to glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to sin I by sin R, equation 1. Now when the rays passes from glass to air, according to Snell's law, refractive index of air with respect to glass in symbol NAG is equal to sin R dash by sin E. This is equation number 2. Again here R and R dash are equal, they are alternate angles. Multiplied equation 1 and 2 we get NGA into NAG is equal to sin I by sin R divided by sin R dash by sin E. So sin I by sin R into sin E by sin R dash. So here sin I and sin E, because angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, cancelled, and R dash cancelled. So which is equal to 1. So here refractive index of glass with respect to air is the reciprocal of refractive index of air with respect to glass. Suppose here rays when passes from one medium to another medium, we can write refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is reciprocal to the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. Thank you.